supposed to be this hard?
What do you mix it with?
Just apple cider. Easy for everybody. Easy for Gary. Easy for me. Guys, let's see how this turns out. Hi guys, it's me, Ray, and welcome to another video of mine. Guys, before we get started, I'm gonna need you to do a couple of things. First off, ensure that you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press that bell, ling-a-ling-a-ling, so you can keep updated every time I upload a video. Guys, today it is a wash day. Hey, if you want to find out more, make sure you stay tuned. So I had that bit of a delay because of the fact that this is not my usual wash day, because if you've watched any of my videos, you know I tend to detangle my hair. I tend to use a shampoo, conditioner and moisturize and seal with as part of my wash days. Heavy on the shampoo where's needed, hello. But today I'm not going to be using shampoo. I'm going to be using some Aztec healing clay on my tresses. I haven't done this in, I think, probably over 10 years, something crazy like that. Maybe like 10 years. Yeah, wow. So I'm going to be trying Aztec healing clay on my hair and seeing what it does. Rinsing it out. People tend to shampoo after, but I never did that, and I know some people don't. And then I'm just going to go in and moisturize and seal my hair. Maybe this is what I need in order to cut down on my wash days. In the previous video you would have seen how I mixed up the Bentonite clay, aka Aztec healing clay, for my hair, so ensure that you watch that. If it hasn't been uploaded, do subscribe because I will be uploading it. So let's get started. On my head is my bonnet, and this bonnet is from the naturalhairtoolkit.com. Yes, and it's actually reversible. The logo is here. Hello, love it. Super large. I've got a lot of hair, if you didn't know, that I've had to tame with some hair bands. Yes. Ooh, I got my winter scarf already. Yes, so definitely check out our website. We are having a huge sale on some of our items, so yeah, you can wear it to waves. Super comfortable, doesn't fall off your head at night, okay, like some of these scarves. But anyway, so my hair has been essentially detangled and it was in plaits, and my sister Rhoda, who you kind of know if you watch this channel but you don't know her, well, helped me detangle my hair and put them in plaits. Then I was like, okay, thank you. I did actually appreciate it. And then now I'm gonna be finally cleansing my hair. So it's so weird because you don't even put the clay in your scalp, but somehow the scalp gets clean from what I remember. Let me get some clips. B-roll. Let's do that. Got clips. So I actually don't need that many clips, but hey, I'm just being a bit extra. You can get this clip on the naturalhairtoolkit.com. Yes. So yeah, if I remember correctly, I literally just apply this as I would a deep conditioner. So it's quite a lot. When I was mixing, I was like, I need to put a bit more in. This sound. Yeah. So it's going to be a bit of a messy job, but you know, that's what we do as we're trying to get views. I'm just going to put a bit on my hair now. Yummy. I'm just going to use my fingers to be honest. I can't be bothered with all of this. I'm going to use my fingers. Oh, this feels somehow. Am I supposed to wet my hair before? I don't even know. Bam! Do I wet my hair before I put clay on?
Before you put what?
The clay.
Yeah.
I put water first.
Oh no, you don't. What, you washing your hair?
Yeah.
No, not really.
Alright.
Well, it's good that it's down.
Is it? Oh, okay. So take two. I'm gonna wet this. This is a bit. The hair is not damp at all. My hair dry. So yeah. Oh dear. Stuff you do for beauty. I'm just painting it on. Make sure I get my ends. But why do we get the ends? Because the ends have really been through the struggle more than any other part of the hair, okay? No, it's the oldest part of your hair, so it's a bit more rougher and needs some TLC. And yeah, I'm going to try and do this as best as I can. I don't want any strand to go missing. So what I probably will do is go off camera and ensure that every strand has been touched. I'm not liking the way this is feeling. I don't remember it feeling like this. Dear. Huh. Bammy, is this supposed to be this hard?
What have you mixed it with?
Just apple cider.
Is it water?
No.
I thought you had done this as well, don't
I haven't done this for almost 10 years. This is looking like locks. Is this normal?
What?
Should I put water in this mixture?
Well, that's fine.
This is not, is this how it's supposed to feel?
Believe so, yeah.
You believe so. Just for views. This video will luckily get 2 views.
That evil prophesy.
Yes, yes, yes. So I've applied the clay to my hair as best as I can. I'm just gonna put some water on it because I just think this is just too structured. I don't like the way it's feeling. Just missing some water on the hair. Ooh, not on my face, girl. It's giving head breakage, you know what I mean? Like, just we trying to bleach our skin. Bleach our hair. Put that on my little spot. Let's see what miracle it does there. Got a little spot on my face. Maybe it'll do a miracle. If I now decide to draw a tribal mark, somebody will tell me I'm culturally appropriating my own culture. You can't say anything on the internet nowadays. There's somebody waiting for you. Easy for Eva, easy for me, easy for Gary. I'm literally doing it as if I'm using a soup. Easy for Eva, easy for Gary, easy for me. No. Guys, let's see how this turns out.
We have to follow through with the orders or the organization or
like Sunday, somebody said. Guys, I've rinsed out the clay. You probably saw a clip where I showed you the texture. I was trying to dry some of the hair. And then here is it. My hair feels super light. Super light. Super light. Yeah. What is clothes on my face though? My hair, but everyone looks good. I hope there's no clay at the back. My hair feels so light, like, yeah, so light, like, oh. I really spent time in the shower. So this is a very unique, what is this on my face? Wow, excuse me. What? Excuse me. But wow, my hair looks so dark as well. It feels good, does not feel drying. I could literally just rock my hair like this and just, yeah, this is just a quick way to refreshen your hair midweek. Yes. So I'm actually going to put my hair in twists, like really twists, because I want to do a twist out. So let me get onto that. For the twist out, I think I'm just going to be using one product, and that is the shea butter and flaxseed moisturizing and define curling cream. I love this stuff on my hair. It's so good. I don't have loads left, but it will have to do. Yeah, because we're going to try and do a 1 product or 2 product wash day. Yeah, let me go and start this. So it's malleable, which is good. This is literally just like a refresher. So if my hair doesn't look clean, we're just out here refreshing it anyway, because we ain't got time. Moisturize this section. Literally like old school, no sealing, just gonna moisturize it. Put this on there. Yeah.
Other places because I just kind of wanted to explore a little bit also.